Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey there, Eid is almost there. And in today's video is all about self-care routine for Eid, where we'll be pampering ourselves from head to toe. With simple, natural DIY treatments, let's get started. First up, let's take care of our hair with a nourishing DIY hair mask. For DIY hair mask, we use half bananas, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the roots and tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off for soft and shiny hair. After hair wash, we will make DIY serum for hair. You can add half cup water, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a spray bottle. Mix it and apply it. You can save it in refrigerator for 2 weeks. Now it's time for skincare. Firstly, wash your face with tap water. Let's make our refreshing DIY face scrub. Add equal amount of sugar and honey. Add a splash of lemon juice for brightness. Gently scrub this mixture onto your face to slough away dead skin cells and reveal a radiant complexion. Wait for 5 minutes, then wash it. After exfoliating, it's time to replenish and hydrate with DIY face mask. Add 1 tablespoon multani methi, half tablespoon yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off to reveal soft, supple skin. Now, let's not forget about our hands and feet. They also deserve care. Create a luxurious hand scrub by mixing sugar, olive oil. You can use coconut oil instead of olive oil and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Gently massage this scrub onto your hands to exfoliate and moisturize. For your tired feet, prepare a relaxing foot soak. Let's make the nourishing foot pomade mask. Add 1 tablespoon besan, small pinch of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon honey. Let the mask work its magic for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Lastly, let's indulge in some luxurious body care. With a DIY body, remove tan and dead skin. Add 2 tablespoon besan, 1 teaspoon coffee, 2 tablespoon coconut oil, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a decadent moisturizer. Massage this body onto your skin to lock in hydration and leave it feeling silky smooth. And there you have it, a complete Eid care routine. Using simple, natural DIY treatments. Treat yourself this Eid and embrace the joy of self-care. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helped you a lot. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.